Are you doing traditional way of quotation? It took your time 30% and your 60% of money. Let me show you how we can save that in Odo. Hello there, I am Pradeep, a software engineer and business analyst who helps businesses in the UK, US and Canada. In this video, I will show you how to use Vodo quotation calculator to save your 30% of time and 60% of your money. Let's get into video. In spreadsheet, you are adding line by line products and you are editing the values. It costs a lot of time. So let's see how we can do it in Vodo. In quotation template, we can add our template products that can for office furniture. We can add large tables and office chair, and we can add quote calculator. Just by clicking that internal link arrow, you will see a beautiful spreadsheet that integrated with sales quotation. So where you can add details of spreadsheets and you can just simply choosing shipping and assembly cost. Now the time to new quotation. Just choose customer and quotation template that automatically fills your products. You see the smart button quote calculator where you can adjust the value of extra volume and vehicle and extra apprentice time. Just see it's automatically updated in a quotation. Just doing by few clicks, you can send that quotation to the customer. That's it. You see Vodo magically doing in a few minutes. If you want to do it in a traditional way, at least it will cost 30 minutes. So believe me, we can do it in an easy way and I can save you 60% of money making quotations and tracking things. I hope you will like the videos. To see a lot of videos like that, just subscribe and like the video. To get more clarification, just contact me in the description. I have all the details added in that.